Hi everyone, want to create a mobile app fast without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you how to build a real mobile app using the Bolt plus Expo in minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Bolt and prompt your idea. Go to the bolt.font and log in. And in the prompt box, type something like this. Create a mobile task manager app with a list of to-dos and form to add new task and toggle to mark task as done. And then the Bolt will generate a UI and backend logic in seconds. Then here you can switch to mobile output. Tap the device preview toggle and see how it looks in mobile. You can adjust the UI components right in the Bolt's editor and no coding needed. Then you can export to Expo. Click Export, then Expo from the top menu. The Bolt will generate an Expo project with all the files ready to run. You'll get an app.js, screen and components auto-generated, and state and management and logic included. Then run on your phone. Download the Expo Go app from the App Store or Google Play Store and on your computer. Run the project folder and then run the npx expo start and scan the QR code on your phone, and your app will launch instantly in Expo Go. And also you can customize it further, and this is optional. And that's it. You just created a fully working mobile app with Bolt and Expo. No coding required. Try it today and bring your app ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.